Do you want to say hi to the guys?
Hi.
You introduce yourself. You say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
My name is
My name is Sando.
Tando. Who?
Pepe.
Ah, whose son are you?
My father's
Yeah, but who's your father?
Mkululi Pepe.
Yeah, there we go. Still putting things together. We're gonna get it right. Well, if you can't solve a Rubik's Cube, my son has a remedy. Take it apart and put it back together again. God, this boy. You were saying, Sonny?
It's solved.
But where are the other pieces? It's missing some other pieces. Where are they?
Sadly, they broke apart.
Or they broke apart when we were trying to. But let's see the other side. Blue, yellow, red. Oh my goodness. This boy. So when I got home, I arrived straight to boxes and boxes. I'm doing daddy duties now, trying to put this thing together so that this can go here. It's interesting, but I'm doing it. I'm winning. I'm winging it. This is what happens when you move into a new home. Now, son, there comes a time when we have to separate the men from the boys. Are you ready to? No, not like that, sonny. Like, are you ready to become a man?
Yes.
Yeah. So we need to turn this thing over.
Okay. We'll flip this thing over.
We will.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Let me not break the boy's back. Let me try it. Believe the very That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. I'll show you how we used to do it. Oh well. That's not how we used to do it, by the way. It used to be better. There we go. There we go. You see, you missed out. You missed out on a soccer star because you wanted me to sing. Yeah,
Woo!
that's the one. That's the one, just like that, yeah? You must do a skill.
Why are you all far away from each other?
Yeah?
Why are you far away from each other? Okay.
Trying that leg to kick the ball hard. Yes. Bring the camera closer. I'm kicking it far like that so that he gets tired and we finish early and sleep. Woo! Woo!
Run, Teddy, run.
No, it's fine. Good. Did you see how I stop the ball? You stop it, you step on it, no? So you concentrate and you look at it and you stop it, no? Stop it. Good. Yes! Yes. My little soccer star. Oh, yeah. Show me again. What did you do?
don't have shoes. Why?
We needed them. The Lord needed the shoes. They are our goalposts. Udlala ngoyihlo wena. Aha. Mommy is showing us how it's done. Tripod. What go?
No!
It hit the goalpost. Well done, son. Well done.
Okay, let's do a penalty.
Okay.
You used to what?
I used to be a coach.
Ah, that's a score.
Yeah.
That's a score. You counted.
Ready?
Yeah! I need my shoes now.
Ready?
Rest.
Okay, you won, son. You won. I think it's time to go, son.
Let's call it a day.
We've had a good time at the park. It's time to go and shower. We will not sleep without showering, will we?